This video is sponsored by Uppbeat, the free music platform for creators. Hey guys, Irene here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a gorgeous behind the scenes video. I took these pictures back in March on my trip to Bali with beautiful model Jade at Rudnyk Waterfall. Waterfalls are just some of my absolute favorite locations to shoot at. That day, we woke up super early and drove our scooter to the location. The hike down to the waterfall is pretty quick, but be prepared for a very hot and steep climbing back. Still worth it though, look at how beautiful it is, and we were so lucky to get this whole beautiful location fully to ourselves. How cool.
What if you're standing here? Yeah, that's cool. Yes, I love it. Oh, that's really beautiful. Yes. Yes, that's gorgeous. So, could you maybe do something like this with your legs and like, yes, yeah. Don't fall. Take your time. Yeah. Yes, yes, exactly, exactly. Oh, that's beautiful. You look like a goddess. Oh my god, my whole camera is like covered in I do wonder if I should try to cover it. It's kind of getting wet. Ooh, what if there is this rock? What if you stand on it and then with your hands you're like holding on to this rock kind of, you know what I mean? That's really nice actually, yeah. Yes, I love that. That's really beautiful. Oh, I love that shot. That's gorgeous. Yeah.
I wanted to show you a bit of the editing process I did with this picture. I wanted to add the top of the waterfall here that got cut off, so I took it from a different image and then just pasted it in. I erased the corners so that the both layers blend in nice and then adjusted the brightness to match my original image. Then I stretched out the side of the image to expand it a bit, and I will link a tutorial on how I do this in the description. And finally, I wanted to add some more detail to this rock that was stretched now and looked a little bit bare. So I selected the area and typed in add moss, and this is what the generative fill gave me. I think I really like it, and just that little bit more detail made the image more cohesive. Let me know what you think. And before we move on, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Uppbeat. Uppbeat is one of the most popular and exciting music platforms for creators. It gives you access to incredible music without copyright issues. I love that Uppbeat has a free plan as well as a premium paid one, so it can fit anyone's budget. But one of the most exciting features is their new AI playlist generator. We all know how annoying it is to usually sift through endless galleries of music to find the one. Well, now you can just simply describe your video scene, a reference, or anything else in your own natural language. Powered by ChatGPT means that elaborate prompts can be interpreted and converted into playlists. How cool! I actually found the song you're hearing right now using the AI-generated playlist tool. I typed in ad for music company and it generated a really cool playlist. I chose this song With Pleasure by Mountaineer, and I think it's a perfect fit. I also love using this Sounds Like tab. Here I typed in Lana Del Rey and I got the most enchanting, beautiful playlist. It's super fun using this feature, and if you're having trouble coming up with prompts, use the examples they have as the little cheats. It might take some playing around to come up with good prompts, and it's not always perfect, but it's giving me some really great results so far. And to clarify, the music is all made by real artists. The AI aspect is only used to help you find the right music for you. You can also use their traditional search methods. Uppbeat has loads of beautiful curated playlists. I found my intro song here in the atmospheric playlist. They also have some cool sounds, and I use their waterfall sound in the very beginning. So check out Uppbeat and its new AI generated playlist feature. Link will be in the description, and let's get back into the video.
Maybe like one hand here and the other one somewhere in the air, like play around with it. Yes, I love that. That's beautiful. I kind of want you to sit on it again and do that thing, like if you put like one hand like here and then the other one like this, but sitting on the side over there. Yes, I love that. That's beautiful. I wish I could give you something like a leaf. Okay, stay here. I'm gonna find like a leaf for you. You know what? I think if you're on a rock, it looks nicer, like that one. Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes. There we go. You know what? Let's do not this thing, because now it's too much. It's like this and a leaf. We'll do just the bikini and the leaf. Yeah. And I'm thinking maybe more so like try to put it, yes, yes, like something like this. That's gorgeous. Oh, I love that, yes. Yes, I love that. What if you, oh, I like that, yeah, that's really nice. Yes, love that. Gorgeous. Oh, that's really beautiful. Yes. Love it. What if you hold it now like more somewhere like close? Yes, yeah. Oh, that's actually really cool. That's really nice. Yeah, I love that. Stay like that. I'm gonna do more like a close-up. Yes. And look up, yes, yes, yes. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. Or maybe let's do the one where you Ooh, that's cute. That's cute. That's really cute. Yes, I love that actually. Oh, that's really cool. Yes. Yes, that's really nice. That's amazing. Stay like that. Can you sit on this rock maybe? Let's try that one, yes. Yeah, that's really cool actually. It's like a perfect little step. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh, that's beautiful. That's very cool. Yeah, that's very cool. Love that. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love that. Love, 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 love. I actually like the sitting. Let's do some sitting ones and then we can play around. I just need to find like a nice spot where I can get comfortable. If it's slippery. Yes. Oh, that's beautiful. And turn your face towards me. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. That's really nice. Oh, I love that. Maybe if it's wet, like just wet it, maybe, or something like that. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I do like that. That's actually nice. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah. The only thing, don't cover your face with it. Try to like move your body towards me just a little. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Yeah, just keep going, yeah. That's kind of, yes, that's actually really nice. I love that. Oh, I love that, yes. Like as if you're putting it on, yeah. Yes. The only thing, like, it's covering your feet. Just be careful, don't fall. Maybe, what about this one? Because it's kind of like, it's like a little step. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's actually beautiful, and I love like the slight like hip. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that's really nice. That's beautiful. Keep it like down like this and just kind of like, yeah. And you can play around with like your legs or like, yes, yes, yes. Just kind of, just move, yes. Yes, yeah.
So unfortunately, I only have some phone footage for the behind the scenes of the next 2 shots. I think we were trying to get a nice thumbnail, so these were not very planned, but I actually ended up really liking these pictures, so I wanted to include them in the video.
Thinking like you can do the one where you pretended you're like washing your feet. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be very impressive shot, but it might be kind of cute. So the only thing, yes, you have to like look at me or look in the front. Yes, yes, like this. Yes, yes. Oh, that's really nice. And look to the side. Yeah, yes, like this. Yes, 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 this way. Yeah. It's a really cool, you know what, maybe I tried the other way. Stay where you are. The lighting, yes, because it's like, I love like the idea, but you see the lighting is like really harsh in here because it's a lot more, like these ones are not bad, but it's like,
oh, I like this.
Yeah, I think I like those the most.
Should I go?
But you know, like to compare, you know what I mean?
Oh my God, you've taken so many amazing pictures, I cannot.
But you see what I mean, that like, there is so much more impressive that I'm like, but I'm gonna try from this side. I think this side might be looking nicer. Yeah, I think this side looks nicer. It has like the, oh yes, yes. Oh, that's really cool. Oh, you know what? If you look like up like this, maybe. Yeah, maybe if you look up like that. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, actually, wait. Yes, that's actually really nice. Oh, that's beautiful. I love that. That's really nice.
So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, check out the beautiful model Jade, and all the other links will be in the description. And huge thanks to Uppbeat for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!